Alright, I'm going to take the head off the board. First thing I'm going to do is start putting the detail in the hair before I put the face on. Alright, I know it looks kind of strange with no face to be working on her hair, but this is the best time to do it before I put the head back on, then I'm not damaging the head that I just spent so hard yesterday working on. Alright, I'm going to melt these hairs together by using a flame on this tool, and try not to screw up things. That just gets rid of all the deep recesses in the clay. I don't need them. It also helps to weld the clay together. What I'm doing, just melting the clay a little bit so the face will stick a little easier. It's just a matter of bunding things back together again. Okay, I'm going to put the part in her hair.
Okay. Yes. We actually have a paper here that the VA sent that says that
Well, that's all I'm going to be able to do today. Donna Evans is here helping me to work out things with the VA insurance and all that stuff. And we've been on the phone all afternoon. And so it's encroached on my ability to sculpt on this, which is okay because we got to get that taken care of. And I got her face back on, started her hair, and I'll come back. I don't know if I'll be back tomorrow or not. I think I've got a doctor's appointment, but I haven't checked yet. But if I don't, I'll be down here working tomorrow night. All right, good night, everybody, and I'll see you next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.